Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best PiggyVest investment tools for beginners, and here's how it works. If you are just starting to invest on PiggyVest, a few easy to use tools help you grow your money without stress. PiggyVest Invest is the core features. It puts your fund into diversified opportunity across sectors like technology, agriculture, and trade, giving you higher return potential than just savings. Another beginner-friendly tools is the Portfolio Plus, which blend different investment types into one package so you don't have to pick individual assets. You can also set scheduled contribution to invest small amounts regularly, turning simple habits into long-term growth. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more easy money tips, and comment which investment tools you would like to use first. And that's it.